Welcome guys. In this video I will write the Python program for the ninth exercise of chapter 8. This is the vowels and consonants counter program. This program will have two functions: count vowels, that will count the number of vowels in a string, and another function, count consonants, that will count the consonants in the string. The program will ask the user to enter a string and then display the number of vowels and number of consonants in the string. Let's write the program. Create a variable named vowels and store a string containing vowel character in this variable. After this, define a function to count the number of vowels in a given string. So define count vowels. Give this the one argument input string. And in this function, create a variable vowel count and set this equal 0. Now, iterate through each character in the input string. For character in input string, and check if the character is vowel. If char in vowels, increment the vowel count. If char in vowels, then increment the vowel count. And at the end, return the total count of vowel. So return vowel count. Now define another function to count the number of consonants in the given string. Define count consonants. Also gives this one parameter input string. And in this function, initialize a counter for consonants. So create a variable consonants count and set this equal 0. Now iterate through each character in the input string. For character in input string, and check if the character is an alphabet letter and not a vowel. If char dot is alpha and char not in vowels, then increment the consonant count. Consonant count plus equal 1. At last, return the consonant count now. Get a string from the user. So create a variable user input and set this equal input, enter a string and call count vowels and count consonant functions to count the vowels and consonants in the given string. Create a variable vowel count and set this equal value returned by the count vowel function, providing the argument user input. Similarly, create another variable consonant count and set this equal value returned by the count consonant function, providing the argument user input. And at last display the results. So print number of vowels in strings are values stored in the vowel count variable. Similarly, print the number of consonants. Number of consonant in the string are values stored in the consonant count variable. Now run the program. Enter a string. Enter Asif Khan. Number of vowels in string are 3. Number of consonants in the string are 5. As this string contains 3 vowels A, I and A and other 5 characters are consonants. Run again and enter another string Sajid Khan. Number of vowels in string are 3. Number of consonants in the string are 6. You can check for other strings like government high school Samas. Number of vowels in the string are 8. Number of consonants in the string are 18.